for the saturated and stunned residents of Swannanoa, North Carolina.
There's 6 inches of just the wettest, sludgiest mud that you can think of across the whole house.
Finding even small keepsakes.
This is the first picture we took with my grandfather and my youngest daughter, Celeste.
Can be massive moral victories.
These are things you can't get back. There's no amount of FEMA that will put these pictures back.
This working class neighborhood accessible now for the first time as some roads have opened up and community needs crystallizing like the eye of a storm.
I think the hardest thing right now is there's no power, there's no water, cell service is spotty at best.
With roads destroyed, mules are carrying food to some cut-off communities.
If you have like different family members across the community and you can't reach them, you don't know if they're okay.
All of this against the backdrop of a death toll quickly rising, with more than 90 killed in North Carolina as President Biden took an aerial tour Wednesday. Every single X that you see on a car or structure is the sign of something searched. There are 1, 2, 3 vehicles here, 1 shed, that makes 4, and countless other structures that can't even be accessed. The roofs on some homes punctured by people escaping as those injured are facing untenable conditions at some hospitals.
Everything people see on the news, it's worse in person. It's worse.
Hannah Drummond works at Mission Hospital in Asheville, where she says 200 patients have been placed in an ER meant for 100.
They ran out of food for us on Saturday, so the patients and the staff in the ER weren't eating. When you can't use the toilets, that means I have to find a commode and I have to find a biohazard bag or some kind of receptacle.
HCA Health, which oversees the hospital, has not responded to multiple NBC News requests for comment. In eastern Tennessee, a host of neighborhoods remain inaccessible and in dire need of help. Today, a vital lifeline for some as Army Black Hawk helicopters drop supplies to communities still cut off. And back in North Carolina,
God bless you.
more heartbreak at the food banks. Tanya Peterson telling our Antonia Hilton her grandkids had not eaten in days.
We're running what little gas we got out of a junk car for the generator to be able to heat the bottles up for the babies. It's terrible. We've got people looting for gas coming through your yards. It's awful. It's awful. No one's coming to check on it. No one.
And Sam, this is so horrible, but especially troubling is this lack of water. Is there an update on that crisis tonight?
There is, Lester, and unfortunately, this is quite a blow. The county saying that both the water treatment and delivery systems are catastrophically damaged. They cannot even provide an update to residents as to any sort of timeline. This is people are just trying to remove debris from properties and sheared roofs off the front of their yards. Lester.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.